Danse Midogigisipayaw. I'm Jennifer Williams. I'm the Director of Languages and Cultures here just outside of Lebo with the Land-Based Education Working Group. We're here in a sweat lodge. Very humbled to be here with this group, and the purpose of this is to teach children about our way of life as Indigenous people through land-based education and through the kit that this group will be making. So we're here today. They will have a drum making session, and they will also be having a feast in honor of this land-based education kit for children.
Ha tanse bojo anin. Pimpata maskwa nasinokason maigandutem. I'm originally from Fisher River, and my English name is David Budd. And the significance of the drum to me, well, the most basic teaching I always kind of hear, it represents that heartbeat of Mother Earth, they say, you know? And because when you were a baby, you lived inside your mom, for 9 months. So you hear her heart beating, And then sometimes too, when your mom is working hard, I guess that drum will beat faster too, So there's that connection there already to that drum. And I think every culture upon Mother Earth, to my understanding, has a drum, So it's an integral part of the human evolution or the human story, you can kind of say. So that's it's really good to know. My understanding about how to make a drum. Well, we're kind of fortunate today because there's drum rims at the store. So you get the hide and you get the drum frames. And then, yeah, that's the long part too. Is you got to soak that hide at least a couple of days to get it nice and soft so that it's malleable so that you can stretch it over the drum frame. But you make holes in the drum frame, well, about an inch all the way around, small holes. And then you use a needle, a clover needle that goes through leather and hide. And you use that sinew, you use that artificial sinew, and then you start sewing it. And you just kind of sew them down. Or you could go once is good enough, but some people want to do it twice, And then you want to make the handle. So I made holes already. I drilled holes for the handle. And then I get that rope and I start stringing that. And then I pull it together like that. And you just got to tighten it in the middle somehow so that it'll be nice and firm to hold afterwards. And now you let it dry. It'll get dry by 4 days. It'll have nice sound to it. Some people feast it to bless it, to bring it to life now. So there's different people do it a little bit different ways. I don't think there's really a right or a wrong way to do it. It's just a different way. Yeah. And then that's pretty well it.